Hello everybody, this is Henan Fitake Food. We are professional producing the dried garlic, onion and ginger and other dried vegetables and fruits. And today we will show you one of our featured products, the garlic powder. The garlic powder, as you can see, is fineness. It's very fine. The mesh can be 8 to 100. The tool specification is both available, and the color is very bright, no any impurity, and the shelf life can reach 24 months. Its processing is raw, dehydration, drying, crushing. The moisture content is less than 8%. The purity is 100%. The microbiological testing is qualified. No any pesticide residues, no food additives, no preservative. Very healthy and safe.